Running a restaurant takes a team, and here inside the Nancy Randolph Davis building, OSU students are learning what it takes to be successful in the food service industry. Whether you're a student on a meal plan or a member of the public just looking for a quality meal, you're invited to Taylor's.
Taylor Restaurant is a lab. It was a family that donated the money to start this experiential learning for what in that time was called the program Hotel and Restaurant Administration. So first you need to understand the mechanic of the whole food process, from the controlling the food costs and producing the meals and the dynamic and the mechanics of the kitchen, as well as the proper soft skills that you need to represent a business, no? In hospitality. So it serves multiple purposes. No?
As an HTM student, you take a class, and when you take that class, you get to come in and you get to work half of the semester in front of house and half the semester in back of house, learning what it's like to be a server. You get to do an MOD day where you follow the manager around, you hang out at the host stand. There's a barista day, they hang out in expo, they get to learn how to make coffees, things like that. Their time in back of house, they are learning with chef, they're cooking, the food that we're serving. They get to serve the guests that are coming through.
A typical day would be as you walk into class, you're going to be fully dressed. I'm going to check, make sure you look right. We'll go through the basic demonstration. We go over the menus, show over the products, talk about what the food's going to be. I only get them in there for 2 hours. Not only do they get it done, because they can see it can be done. They don't just get theory, they get practice too. That's important.
Taylor's is a lab that's very different than most because both the diners and the student servers are, in a way, clients of the restaurant.
So we need to create this protected environment that differs from the traditional restaurants. But the main goal is have the extra time and the extra effort to coach and teach and mentor those students. So they need time to process all this knowledge, this experience.
This is a lab. It's not here to make money. It is here to teach students the right way, but it's also for mistakes, because if I've got you in here, I want you to make your mistakes here, not out there. Back of the house, you go through, we have 5 stations. It's all natural. This is what it is anywhere you go. It's worldwide. If you can go into this kitchen and you can learn how these 5 stations work, you can walk in anywhere. Every week, that menu changes. And when the students walk in, like if it used to be, you'd have it down by the 2nd week, wouldn't you? Maybe the 3rd. You got a brand new menu to learn, brand new product to do, different styles of cooking. Unbelievable.
It's not just anywhere to go and get lunch. Not only are you giving other students an opportunity to learn and work with others, but you're also getting an experience unlike anything else you're going to get on campus. You're coming and you're enjoying food from all over the world, something that you may have never tried before.